Hey guys, Arvind here from Vtech 2k17, and today I'm gonna show you the best speaker under 800 rupees. So I'm gonna show you the Dell 2-in-1 multimedia speaker system. So I'm not doing an unboxing video, but I'm going to show you the speaker. As you can see, this is the speaker. It's a USB powered speaker and it's only available in black in color. It's available on Flipkart as well as on Amazon, and I will give you the link in the description. As you can see, it has one 3.5mm jack and a USB cable to power up the device. It does not support any Bluetooth or any other than auxiliary connectivity. And it does not give any power brick to on the device, so we should use our own brick. So let me show you guys how good the speaker is. So let me plug it to the current there. The wire looks like in a zigzag position, so never mind the wire. It's clumsy with this too much wire and all. I forgot to tell you something. On top of the speaker, on the right, you see it's marked R and L on the back side of the speaker. So in the right side speaker, on the top, you get a volume rocker to adjust the volume and to turn on the device. The only thing lacking in this price is the LED light to know whether the device is on or not. Even though you can see much other speakers with LED and other specifics under rupees is 800 only, but they are not good. They may be having the low quality speakers, but as is Dell company and Dell speakers, they have a good quality speakers with a bass or a small subwoofer on the back. So I'm not saying anything, let me show how good the speaker is. Let me connect it to the device. Let's see, I'm gonna lower the volume. So the volume is low and the phone volume is also not full. Okay guys, let me adjust the volume to full. So the volume is now at full. The volume is full. Let me see. I think the song is kind of low volume, so I'm gonna change the song to another song. Oh, now the speakers are perfect. Are we crazy? As you can see, it's very loud and the quality of the music is crisp and clear. And thanks for watching guys, and please like and subscribe to our channel. Peace.